What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And in this video, I'm gonna touch on how I find my niches. There's so many people asking me, how do you find your niches? How do you find your niches? Um, I really do no research at all to find my niches, and I'm gonna show you guys how. And make sure you guys stay to the end of this video. I'm gonna change your whole perspective on how you guys are choosing your niches, okay? And I'm just giving you guys a quick view of how my week's going too. But let's get started straight into the video, man. Make sure you guys hit that sub button. But let's get straight into it. Okay. So this is how I choose my niches, you guys. So from the very beginning, um, I made a list of everything that I am, everything that I do, all my hobbies, everything I know best. Because if you want to stay interested in your niche and you want to be able to post over and over again and not get tired, or to actually have some inspiration to be able to, make certain things, you want to get into niches that you know the best, okay? And I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this. So in high school, I was a chess champion, so I know a lot about chess, right? I played basketball my whole life, right? Now I'm a filmmaker, I'm a director, I do photography, so I know those topics a lot. I'm an African American black woman, okay? I'm in the LGBT community, I'm a lesbian. I'm a Capricorn, right? My birthday's on Christmas. I'm an introvert on my homebody, right? I love TikTok, so I get TikTok quotes. I'm a CEO, I'm a business owner. I also have a clothing line, also, which I don't talk about a lot on here. I'm a business owner. I trade stocks, so I know a lot about that. I do crypto, social justice stuff. I'm a graphic designer. I play video games. I'm a carnivore. I love steak, all this shit. No vegan shit over here. And I know I'm a Christian. Um, and I know about cultural holidays. So what I challenge you guys to do is to sit down and just make a list of things that you know a lot of. You'll be surprised how many niches are out there that you wouldn't think to search. But if you just sit down and think about, all the things that you are and who you are as a person, it will help you come up with these niches. And not only will you be more inspired to create, nobody knows gonna know the keywords like you know it. It's hard for me to go out and find a niche and make it about computer programming, because I don't know. I don't know the language of how they speak. I don't know how to code. I don't know how to do that. So it requires a lot of research, and sometimes we end up researching so much we end up not creating. So I challenge you guys to sit down and to make a list like this of, maybe your occupation, what you do, little hobbies, little random shit you like, and see how many niches you can come up with. Because right now, I have the number one selling thing. Ooh, made a sale. I got the number one, seller when it comes to filmmaking and director, because not even because my design is crazy, or if it's even the best design, but nobody knows those keywords like I know those keywords unless you're in that field, right? So I want to take advantage of every edge that I can, even about photography, LGBT. I know so much about the community because I'm in the LGBT community. I know about, Capricorn shit because I'm a fucking Capricorn. You know what I'm saying? Um, I'm an African American woman, so any niche, I just spin it and make it an African American something. Just like people make, you know, teacher shirts. I'm gonna make an African American teacher shirt. Or if you're Irish or you're Spanish, or you gotta take advantage of the things that you have an edge on. You know, Um, like stock trading, I'm glued to the stock market every fucking day. So when new cryptos come out, or certain stuff is tanking, or there's new laws or new stuff, I'm always gonna know, so I can make these niches. You know what I'm saying? I can make hot new designs because I'm glued to that community. You know what I'm saying? Gamer stuff. I play video games every day, every night. You know what I'm saying? I know the terminology. I know the kind of stuff that is said. I know, different, slang from different video games. You understand? Christianity, I've always, one with my Bible. I know a lot of Bible verses. So I just want to take advantage of the things you don't want to just keep going out and doing so much research. And I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but a lot of people are spending so much time on research when their niches are right in front of them every day. You know what I'm saying? So these are pretty much, I'm not going to say these are the niches that I'm in, but a lot of them I'm kind of giving them a broad titles, but these are most of the niches I'm in. And I haven't added on anything. Like, once you find a good niche and it's something that you can just keep stuffing every day, like, okay, I know this, let's just keep creating. Like, I can make filmmaking shirts all fucking day because I know it's said at the shoots. I know the camera terminologies. You know what I'm saying? So it's easy to keep creating, and once you're in a niche, just keep making more stuff in that niche. You guys don't need to be in 30 niches. Just think about it like the needle in the haystack terminology. Like, you'll have more luck in a niche with 100 designs when there's 1,000 results than 5 out of 1,000 in a bunch of different niches. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I challenge you guys to do. Just sit down, make a list of, just kind of how I did, and attack these niches. You'll find it more enjoyable than, okay, I'm seeing a trend, but it's some shit that I have no idea about, nothing that I'm interested in. I don't have any like backup graphics on it, so I'm taking way more time to create. Just sit down and use the niches that are in front of you. Is like, once I realized this, it makes my creating process so much easier. So, man, so tell me what you guys think about this, man. I really give you guys the game, I'm telling you, this is the key right here, So you guys get down. That's your homework assignment tonight. Just sit down, make a list, and man, get it in. So you guys make sure you guys hit that motherfucking sub button. Kill the comment section. Let me know what else you guys, what other videos you guys want me to make. I definitely are glued to my comments, so I definitely listen to you guys when it comes to what you guys need, and I see a lot when it comes to niches. So I just want to show you guys what I do, and this makes it so much easier. Like literally, like just give it a try and see what happens when you attack this way. But hey, that's all I got for this video. Ooh, shit, I got 9 sales today, baby. See, it's working. So, man, till next time, man.